It's like a rocket, it goes like that. And that is a fantastic feeling. That is something different to a regular motorcycle as well.
We're RGNT Motorcycles. We're a company based in western Sweden, in Kungsbacka, and we develop and produce motorcycles. My name is Niels Borman Johnson, and I work with electrical engineering here at RGNT Motorcycles. The idea behind RGNT started when our founder, Jonathan Åström, was in Beijing 2018 and witnessed for himself the change from this noisy and loud city with thousands of petrol mopeds to overnight being almost silent with the change of electrical mopeds. What RGNT brings to the market is a product that focuses on a sustainable society, both with having low noise levels, but also using materials that are both locally produced, but also last a lifetime. So we've been working with Etteplan for about a year now, and I heard it from a previous colleague that you were working with thermal and with batteries, and thought that might be interesting. And we started working with Etteplan and found that this could be both a short-term partner for the projects we were doing now, but also for a more long-term partner.
My name is Gideon Schip aan boord. I'm the head of marketing at RGNT Motorcycles here in Sweden. I really believe that having a silent motorcycle is something unique. And I must say I'm a petrol head myself. I have been driven many motorcycles, 2-stroke, 4-strokes. I just love the sound, I love the smell. But now I realize that if we want to do something also for the future, we have to find new ways. And I think that we, with RGNT, we built something that is unique. It has no sound, and especially when I'm here in the factory, for example, and I'm going out during the nights on a motorcycle and it's so quiet and you hear the birds while you're driving around here, it's fantastic. It's a great experience.